Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I'm going to explain about design, develop and implement a program in C for converting an infix expression to postfix expression. Program should support for both parenthesized and pre-parenthesized expressions with the operators plus, minus, star, slash, percentage, power and alphanumeric operands. So to understand this program very well, you should know about the conversion infix to postfix conversion. So first of all, before starting or learning this program, you will understand the conversion technique properly. So what are the steps I'm going to follow in this case? First of all, bottom of stack is initialized with hash, so which represents the empty stack. And the second thing I'm going to do here is I will once I initialize the stack with the hash, then scan the infix expression from left to right. If the scanned operator or character is an operand, then output it to the postfix expression. Else, if suppose if the scanned character is not an operand, then it has to be an operator. Else, that's why else case. In the else case, what are you going to check? First of all, you're going to check that if precedence of the scanned character that we are going to store in the symbol variable called symbol, and the precedence of that symbol is greater than the precedence of the stack top symbol, or some case you can take. If this is one case, what's the first case? First case is we are checking precedence of the scanned character is greater than the precedence of the stack top symbol, or the case like stack top symbol is open bracket or stack is empty. In that case, you're going to push the symbol. Next, else, otherwise, if the precedence of the scanned character is less than or equal to the stack top symbol, precedence of the stack top symbol, you have to pop all the characters from the stacks which are greater than equal to precedence of the scanned operator or a character. So that is the else case. Next, we'll see the fifth step. If the scanned character is an open parenthesis, then you have to push the symbol onto the stack. If the scanned character is closing parenthesis, then pop all the stack symbols, pop this all, not all the stack, pop the stack symbol until you get a open parenthesis, and ignore both the parentheses, meaning you're not going to add the parenthesis in the postfix expression, and repeat the steps third to sixth until infix expression is scanned. So once the infix expression is done, that means you've finished scanning all the characters of the infix expression. You have to, if the characters are remaining in the stack, then you have to pop all those characters from the stack until top greater than 0. So that means until you get a hash. So you have to leave the hash. Rest of the characters you have to remove and put it in the postfix expression. So you have to output that characters to the postfix expression. Finally, print the output. Now let me explain the program lines one by one. First of all, hash include stdio.h. We'll know that the C file needs a header file called stdio.h for input and output functions, to include input and output functions. Next, we have an evaluate function. Evaluate function is here. It's a user-defined function which does the conversion job. That is, infix to postfix conversion is done by a evaluate function. Then we have here push and pop function. Why push and pop function? Because in the evaluation, that means in the conversion. Sorry, it's not evaluation exactly. So it's a conversion from infix to postfix. It requires a stack. So obviously stack is nothing but a containing push and pop operation. That's why if you are using a stack, that means you have to define a push and pop operations. After that, precedence function. Precedence function here, it is necessary because it is very much necessary to define the precedence to the each operators that we are using in the expression. So based on the precedence of the operation, the expression is processed. Then what is character infix of 30, postfix of 30 and stack? So infix of 30 will hold the input infix expression, postfix will hold the output postfix expression. Then stack is needed to hold the operators. Next, as we all know that top is initialized with -1 because it is a variable for a stack. And next we have a main function. Main is the entry point for a C program. So always execution begins from the main. Then what are we included? What have we included in the main function? First of all, reading the infix expression. Then you're calling the infix to postfix conversion function. After that, I'm going to output the postfix expression. Next, coming to evaluate. Evaluate. Here in the evaluate function, I'm doing the conversion job. It is not evaluation job. The conversion job. Only name goes. Name I have given like evaluate. Now, as I told in the steps, first I'm going to insert a hash. Hash is nothing but a stack bottom symbol, and then I'm going to use the for loop to process the each characters of the infix expression. Then the symbol will hold the each character for uh, every loop. Then whenever I get any symbol, that will be processed through the switch cases. If the symbol you have got right now currently is a open parenthesis, then you have to, as it is, you have to push it onto the stack. That's why push symbol. Suppose if you have got an open parenthesis, then you have to pop all those characters from the stack. That is why temp equal to pop, and until you get an open parenthesis, you keep on popping the stack contents. Suppose the symbol you have got is either plus minus star or all the operators like plus minus star plus slash percentage open bracket. It's not open bracket, it's a power. So if any one of these characters, then what you have to do is you have to check that precedence of the stack top is greater than equal to precedence of symbol. Suppose precedence of stack top is greater than equal to precedence of symbol, then you're going to pop the stack symbol, pop the stack symbol, and and put it into the postfix expression. Else, if precedence of a stack top symbol is not greater than equal to precedence of symbol, then you have to push that symbol as it is onto the stack. And suppose the currently scanned character is not an operator, instead of that, if it is an operand, write as it is to the postfix expression. Okay, write as it is to the postfix expression. Once you have finished scanning all the characters of the infix expression, next job is to check whether the stack contents are empty or not. If the stack contents are not empty, you have to pop all those contents from the stack until top is greater than 0. Okay, until top is greater than 0. So you have to pop all the contents and store those characters in postfix. Once this part is done, next finally you have to append null to the postfix expression. Because last character is nothing but it's a string, it always ends with the null character. So that is about the conversion. That is about the conversion. Let me explain this again with the example. Let me take a simple example of 2 plus. Let me not take a parenthesis instead of that. Take 2 plus 3 star 5. What happens? What are we going to? This is an infix expression. First, in the infix expression, I got 2. Get 2. That is an operand. You have to write as it is in the postfix expression. As it is in the postfix expression. So when I get plus, I have to put it into the stack. So I will create a stack, and in that I'm going to put plus, and as I told initially, hash is the bottom of the stack. So that just represents the empty stack. Next I will get plus, plus is pushed onto the stack. Next I will get open parenthesis. Whenever I get open parenthesis, I will put it onto the stack, and whenever I get the operand, I will write it in the postfix expression. Whenever I get star, what I have to check is since the stack top content is open parenthesis, you have to add as it is, because this its precedence is lower than the star. So its precedence is lower than the star's precedence is higher than the open parenthesis. So that means parenthesis has got a lower precedence than the star. So we have to add star as it is. Next comes to 5. 5 you are going to write as it is. Next we have here is closing parenthesis. Whenever you got a closing parenthesis, you pop all the operators until opening parenthesis. So star is popped. Now after star, next is opening parenthesis. That also you have to pop. So this is popped. So this is popped, and even this is popped. So once that is done, then even the infix expression got over because we have reached the null. That is why whatever the contents, the remaining contents from the stack, we need to be popped until you get the hash, or until top greater than 0. Top greater than 0 means 0 will be hash content. This will be top greater than 0 means until this position. So plus I will pop, and this will be the postfix expression 235 star plus 35 star plus. So now we'll see the output of the program. Now, okay, run this. So here I'm using TDMG compiler. Let me compile program. This is TDM infix to postfix dot c. This is the way to run the program. GCC infix to postfix dot c, and I will store the output into POS. This is the name I'm going to give this to, where this is the file name I'm going to give where the output gets stored. So if the compilation is successful, then the output will be stored in the input into POS, and you will get the next prompt to write the command. After this, I will run the program, run the application, which is executable file. Executable file stores in the into POS. So now here I will give a expression. I will give a same expression to plus 3 star and then 5, enter. So you can see that same output we got. Corresponding postfix expression is 235 star plus. So you can try even with the bigger expression. So again start 2 plus 3 star 5 plus plus 5 slash 2. So this is the output for the above expression, infix expression. This is the output.